Hi guys, one of the reasons a car does not start well is the fuel pressure regulator. It needs to overpressure is created in the fuel rail. Gasoline flows back into the tank. A contact pressure of 4-5 bar remained in the rail. In the event of the malfunction of the fuel pressure regulator, the pressure in the fuel rail decreases, since the valve does not hold pressure, and gasoline partly flows down, and weight may also drain. Therefore, then strains the engine, while the fuel pump pumps gasoline into the fuel rail, as long as the appropriate pressure is created there. It takes time because of what the car starts up a little longer, and it seems to us that the car is wrong. This is the fault of the fuel pressure regulator. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.